Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Today, we are going to discuss the face sheet of Unit 6 Biodiversity. Before we start with today's session, let us have a look at the objective of the class. Children, at the end of this period, you will be able to understand the term biodiversity. Understand the importance of biodiversity. You will be able to find the reason behind reducing the biodiversity. And you will be able to find the solution to conserve the biodiversity. So children, first tell me, what do you mean by biodiversity? Biodiversity is a combination of two words, biological and diversity. It refers to the variety of life on earth and encloses all the living things that exist in a certain area, in the air, on land, or in water, plants, animals, microorganisms, and fungi. Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity, where each species, no matter how small, all have an important role to play. For example, a larger number of plant species means a greater variety of crops. Greater species diversity ensures natural sustainability for all the life forms. Now look at the picture, children. Observe the picture. What do you see? Plants, animals, fungi, and all other species compromises the biodiversity. Biodiversity is a term that represents the total variety of all life on earth. That is a big thing to sum up. Thousands of different world habitats, millions of different species, billions of different individuals, and trillions of different characteristics they all have. The total biodiversity of our planet is immense, which is a good thing because the more biodiversity, the more secure all life on earth is, including ourselves. Only when life is at its most varied, vigorous, biodiverse, can we hope to thrive. We may not know it, but we need to towering forest across one-third of the land's surface to block away carbon and keep the climate stable. We need millions of pollinators and billions of organisms and megatons of plankton to keep the food we eat in supply. We need strange plants deep in jungles to create our medicines, and coral reefs and mangrove swamps to protect the coast we depend upon our planet. Biodiversity provides all the things we need for free, but it will only do so if there's a lot of it, and at the moment it's under attack. In the last 50 years, our activities have dramatically reduced biodiversity across the globe. We have snuffed our habitats, reduced population of wildlife animals by 60%, and even driven whole species extinct. The number of lions in Africa has dropped by 65%. Biodiversity is dropping everywhere and fast. We talk about climate change a lot, but diversity loss is also an important issue. How do we stop this loss of life? In fact, we already know exactly what to do. Yes, you are right. We have to regain a balance. We have to open our eyes at this moment and think how to save our environment. Now look at these pictures, children. How they are. Everywhere garbage near the water bodies, pollution. How they are affecting the human life. They are spoiling the human life. Industrial waste and the garbage had an adverse effect on human life. They are the causes of many diseases. Now see the beautiful pics of the greenery. It represents a beautiful diversity. Now children, open your textbook, page number 164. Look at the first picture. What do you see in the picture? Do you like it? If not, why? In the first picture, which is impulsive, we see a polluted area which is a dumping yard near a water body. We can imagine the foul smell emitted from the place. It is very unpleasant sight because it not only pollutes the atmosphere but also the water nearby. It is certainly not the right place for dumping garbage. It may spread many diseases. Now see at the second picture on page 164, children. How beautiful it is. How is the second picture different from the first? Do you feel good about it? Give reason for your view. The second picture, in contrast, presents a clean and green village. It is a pleasing sight. We can breathe easy looking at this picture. It is a healthy atmosphere where growth and development find a conducive atmosphere. We should strive to maintain our atmosphere pollution free. Now, see, children, I hope you people have understood the difference between the two pictures. Now, the main question is how to save a planet. So, it is very necessary, children, that we should come forward to protect our planet as we have to live in this. Here are the 10 simple things you can do to help to protect the earth. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Follow the 3 R's to conserve the natural resources. Volunteer for cleanup in your community. Educate others and make them understand the importance and the value of our natural resources. And the most important is conserve water. Yes, children, the less water you use, the more you conserve. You have to save water. Choose sustainable goods. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. And the most important of all this is to plant a tree because trees provide food and oxygen. They help to save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. So, children, I hope everyone has understood that it is a prime responsibility of every citizen that they should come forward to and save their planet. Thank you. Now it's time for you to take down the homework, children. Write a speech on human beings cannot live on this earth without causing threat to the nature and send on my personal window. Thank you.